nandito ako ngayon kasama yung husband ko sa Nora Dalor. So, ayan, itutur namin ngayon dito. And we will show you guys the place kung anong itsura. And tingnan nyo yung neighbors ko. Ayan. So, dito, ayan, tingnan nyo ito yung sa konti. Daming shade. Ayan, look at the clouds. So lovely. Pa-sunset na siya guys. Kanina walang hangin. Ngayon tumangin siya konti. So look at my view. My viewer. Yun ang my viewer. Hello everybody. So ayan yung isang friend ko. May summer house na dito. Pag nataas naman ang food. Nora Dalor. So ito yung view guys. Look at that. So mostly yung nakatira dito is mga farmers. And ayan, may mga, yung mga balls na yan, yung green, yan is, ano yan siya, grass na pinipreserve. Pag winter, yan yung kinakain ng mga sheep. Kaya yan yung laman yan is grass. So my husband is driving. Look at the rock formation guys. Ayan, nandito yung bahay. May bahay dyan. Bahay ng farmer. And there guys, maraming cow. Maraming baka. A lot of cows. And the Coulter Island. It's so lovely. So ayan guys, it's so lovely over here. Ayan guys, sunset na, pa-sunset na siya. Ang ganda talaga ng weather. Ayan. So ayan guys, nuts tayo. Meron akong biniling Doritos na spice, maapoy siya. So ayan. Ito guys, panghang. Super anghang. First time ko itong na-try. Comment down below kung sino nakatry nito. And the clouds, wow. Ayan guys, yung nasa lubong namin, mga sheep, naglalaro sila sa daan. Ayan, nakatimangang sila. Maanghang talaga siya. So, tinanong ko sa mister kung kaya ba niya anghang. Kanya, kaya na bunganga niya. Ang tanong kung kaya ba ng pet niya. Mag-aapoy daw ang pet niya guys. So that is the village of Butlafjord guys. Diyan din yung daan papuntang north kasi ongoing pa yung tunnel. Sana ni Mister yung gate guys. Pupunta kami sa Cox. Labas na naman siya, i-close niya yung gate. Close yung gate para yung mga karnero hindi lalabas. Fox Restaurant. So, ayan, may pa-gate. So, let's close the gate. Ayan, guys. Chicken house siya, guys. Look at that. Ganda yung itsura. Hi, my love! Sasadyain mo talaga tong restaurant na to, guys. Okay, let's go in. What's here? Maliit silang ano dito. Maliit na bahay. See what is inside of it? Huh? Ah, it's so special here. Now, if you can see there, there's a lamb leg. Huh? And there you can grill or something. Huh? Oh, yeah, oh. Is there people there? So the restaurant is there. Is there people? Nandun pala sa taas yung restaurant, guys. May isa pang bahay dun sa taas. So, doon pala yun. What's inside? Huh? Cox. Where there? Is it close? Huh? So I'm not going to eat here. So we will go home. It's my first time here, pero hindi ko pagkain dito kasi this restaurant is so expensive. I can't afford. So yes, that's it. We will go home na, guys. Guys, lalabas na kami. So, bubuksan na naman yung gate. Tapos, sarado na niya naman ngayon ulit. Nakahuli siya, guys. They're fishing salmon. Look at that. Where? Where is the fish? Hi, fish. Oh, so big. Oh, so big. Oh, it's so big.
Hast du stor Luciana?
Ja.
Hej, Luciana, vi ska fara igen. Bara finns jag picklitser.
Det är så tungt med.
Jag har varit ofta. Jag kastar ett tvärförnör där och så koncentrerar jag.
Ja, nu har spojtar vi för ibland.
Ja.
Åh, med stora. Ja.
Ja, vad är det då?
Welcome to Tarshan! So ayan guys, pauwi na kami. And what is the name of this hotel, my love? This new hotel? Hilton. Yeah, this is Hilton Hotel here in Faroe Islands. It's new. Home sweet home. We're home na, guys. Let's turn on the light. Home sweet home, Alabama. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you like our tour. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.